Today, we're up against a monster. This whole water feature is absolutely massive, but it's leaking like a sieve. It's got deep, painful cracks running all through it. And trying to patch them one by one, you'd just be fighting a losing battle. So, we're doing something awesome instead. We're laying down a full coat of fiberglass across the entire pond to give it a beautiful, seamless seal that will last a lifetime. But I'm not going to lie to you, the prep work has been brutal. We've been hours grinding away, breathing in a mountain of white dust, getting covered in absolute filth. It's been a total nightmare, but the payoff is going to be so satisfying. Let's get to work. Just arrived at the customer's house. Let's go and take a look at this water feature, or pond, water feature pond. Here it is, lovely old water feature stroke pond. This one is leaking, so it's about 3.5 meters diameter. Slow leaks. The customer's tried many times to sort it out, but it keeps going down. What is going on with the UK weather? 9:15 in the morning, it's already 30 degrees. Don't get me wrong, not complaining, but it's quite hot to work in. Lots of nice little water lilies in here, starting to come up. Lots of different pots, so we're going to put these in separate tanks with some water, and I think there's a few newts and other bits in there, but there's no fish. So whatever we find, you know the drill. For this video, we're giving away this amazing air pump. If you want to win it, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Super easy. I hope you're finding the videos useful so far. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, some support for the channel. We've got a really simple members section. You can actually support us from 99p. I know you might think that's not that much. Well, it is to us. Obviously, all these videos take ages to make and edit, and hopefully the information we give you saves you a lot of money. So in return, if you can support us, that'd be absolutely amazing. Every little penny helps, and all the members we've got so far, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, the pond's all cleaned out. I'm just going to show you the situation with the pump. The pump was inside the little hole there, so there's a big chamber underneath, but obviously maintenance and things is a bit of a tricky thing. But we need to seal that section off, and the pump's going to be a bit more external. Right, day 2. Feels a lot cooler today. Yesterday we were hoping to get everything done prep wise, but it was so hot and so dusty. I was literally covered in grit. But we've got some more grinding to do. Basically just need to fill some cracks and get it all ready for the glassing. But yeah, it's coming on. Let's have a look. Okay, so that's gone off overnight. Still not obviously fully cured, but sealed up nevertheless. We're taking out a good section all the way around here, so we can hopefully get the glass in and under. And then once the glass has gone off, we'll point this area up, and we're stripping back, getting some key onto the old concrete where we can prime it, ready for the fiberglass. And also the same for the bottom, the small flaky sealant, getting rid of that, and also giving it some key. Some of the main jobs really, we need to grind out all these old cracks, fill them in, and then get ready for the fiberglassing. Okay, most of the grinding is done. We found some more cracks after we washed everything down, so let's have a look. It's quite a few. We'll ground them out obviously. We'll fill them in a second, but lots and lots of cracks. Right, so day 3, back at the fiberglassing job. We're already starting to fill up. That's as much rain as we've got. So we're going to drain it out, give it one last clean down, get ready for the priming and the glassing. Okay, so all the joints are done around the pond and the little island bit. Let's have a look. That's all going off nicely, nice and neat. And now the final bit is we're just going to top coat over the edgy bit where we sanded down and acetoned off before. So to win the air pump on this video, all you have to do, in the comments, leave who you think is going to win the World Cup. And we'll choose one at random and you can win this amazing air pump worth about £80. Speaking of giveaways, on one of our last videos where we built a waterfall, you had to guess where I was born. And Stephen won. The correct answer is South Africa. Now he won a £260 pond pump. Here he is now.
I would just like to thank the pond man for the waterfall pump. It's very much appreciated.
So we've painted the sides, and obviously the black, call it grout or black filler, looking really good. Last day, we're nearly finished. Everything's looking really good. All we've got to do, drain it, give it a quick wash down, put all the plants back in, fill it up, turn her on, job done. If you're wondering why the hose is out here, we had to do it that way. There's no point having it lower down, and it's sometimes difficult to seal off where the cable and the hose join. So we went above the water level. Might not look ideal, but trying to make the best of a bad situation. All cleaned out, filling up nicely. Look at that finish. How good is that? It's finally finished. Pond is now filling up. Moment of truth. Let's go and have a look. Here we go. Pond's all done, filled up. Fountain's just off at the moment because I've got some concrete joints going off and it's quite splashy. So we'll switch it on tomorrow. Fiberglass has all gone off nicely. All the lilies are in. And it's a lot of work. But you can do it yourself. It's fiddly and it's very, very weather dependent. But you do get a really nice finish. And also, you know, it's going to last a long, long time. That's the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hype if you can. And also, why not consider becoming a member? 99p. It's well worth it.